In front of me is Motorola Moto G86, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Now click on Allow in all available pop-ups, and when you finished, to start recording, use this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To end it and save it, click on this square one on the right. Now name it at the top and hit save at the bottom right corner. Finally, to play it, click on it. To manage it, use this pen at the top right corner to edit it, and then save at the bottom right one. And click on those three dots next to the pen to use all of those options in the pop-up, like delete. Then confirm your choice over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!